आज़ादी एक अजीम नेमत है। जो कौमें इसकी नाकदरी करती हैं वो इज्तमाई तौर पर ज़वाल का शिकार होती हैं। इसकी कदर कीजिए।
पाकिस्तान 14 अगस्त को आज़ाद हुआ और यहाँ पे ये मुल्क हमें बहुत जदोजहद से मिला है, लिहाजा अपने वतन की खुद हिफाजत करें।
From struggle to success, from sacrifice to celebration, wishing you all happy Independence Day.
76 years of courage, progress and patriotism. Let's continue to rebuild a bright future together.
We are here at the end of another year of challenges. The challenges that Pakistan is facing nowadays. A year of hope, a year full of dreams, a year of prosperity.
Today is the day we must make a solemn pledge that we will continue to work hard to safeguard the integrity and independence of this country at all costs.
As the sun rises on this historical day, let remembers the heroes who proved the ways. Happy Independence Day.
Each and every year, when 14th August arrives, it fills our hearts with love for our nation and memories of all those who lost their lives to get freedom for us.
As we celebrate 76 years of freedom, let's strive for a brighter future. Happy Independence Day, Pakistan.
From the ranges of K2 to the shores of Karachi, united we stand.
76 years of courage, patriotism and togetherness. Let's build this country brighter and stronger.
A journey of progress, unity and dream. Here's another year of achievement. Happy 76th Independence Day of Pakistan.
On this historic day, let's renew our pledge to uphold the ideals of freedom and unity.
Pakistan Zindabad.